Hello, guys. This is Papa Rabbi Media TV once more again. You know that it has been a while without talking with you guys. I was a bit busy and it was a little bit complicated for me to come on camera. But now I can speak and share with you some short story. You know, I use mostly to speak in Kinyamulenge, but probably it was because I was in Africa. Let me tell you that I'm in US, guys. I know many of you don't know that I'm in US, but I came in US last week, and now it is almost a week that I'm in US, because today we are 23rd, I guess, and 23rd January 2026, and I came last week. It means that I have 1 week here in the US. That's why, guys, I decided to welcome you in English, because I want to share with you a short story in English, and I know that you will be also amazed. Guys, I welcome you once more again. For those who didn't do subscribe yet, you can do subscribe to this channel, guys, and share, comment is needed. Guys, I want to tell you a little bit about what God done for me last week when I was preparing to come here in US. It was a bit complicated, very hard. But I saw God's miracles and wonders. God done beyond what I could even imagine, what I could even think. But God done it for me, guys. It was hard, it was complicated, it was difficult, guys, to come here in US. Let me tell you what happened. I didn't realize that I could be here today, because I was waiting for the visa, and the visa delayed in the day that I was expecting that I could have it, and I decided to go on the mountain to pray God. When I was on the mountain, it was my that day, I guess, it was my that day, and I saw an email telling me that I have to go to take my visa. I was surprised. I said, wow, this is what I was praying for. Okay, I was praying for many things, but that was included with that kind of thing that I was praying for. And when I saw that message, it was on Wednesday evening, but I went on Thursday last week. And arriving there, yes, they gave me my visa. I went to Nyayo House. I got an exit letter, and I came back home to arrange my stuff so that I can come on Friday. Why I do that kind of hurrying things? It was because of what President Donald J. Trump said about countries, about visa, about immigrant visa, because people could not again get that visa. But for me, miraculously, I got mine. So God done it in the way I could for sure understand. Luckily, I'm now in the US. But let me tell you, guys, it was hard. I don't know how to tell you how it was, but it was so hard and hard. Let me say that. It was so hard and difficult for sure. but I came and arrived in America safely by God's grace. May the name of God be praised. Bavandimwe nari mvuze gutyo kugira ngo mwumve ko n'icyongereza ntangiye kucitoza nk'uko nageze mu gihugu cy'Abongereza, kubera ko ni ngombwa ko nacyo tucitoza kandi tukakivuga. Nkunda umubyeyi umwe ukunda kuvuga icyongereza cyiza witwa Chance wa Beni. Ni ministeri imwe ya Chance na Beni, bakunda kuvuga icyongereza nkishima cyane, ariko ukivuga n'umubyeyi mama Chance, ni mama pastor. Very sorry kubera ko nari ntinyutse kumuvuga, ariko suko nari mwubahutse, ni umubyeyi dukunda. Nizo mpamvu nanjye nari ndisaidinze kubanza kubiyegereza mu cyongereza. Ariko bavandimwe, ubu ndi USA, abatari babizi, abo twari duturanye tubana mirimo ya buri munsi, Nairobi. Imana ikomeze bahezagire, tuzakomeza tuvugane, kandi hano ni ntabwo ari kure, tuzakomeza tubane namwe. Cyakora utarakora subscribe kuri Paparabi Media TV nayikore. Nari mfite bavandimwe bye. Tuzahura kandi tuzongera tubonane tuganire. Aho muri mwese abakunzi ba Paparabi Media TV, ubu twimukiye US. Tuzakomeza tubane namwe, tuzakomeza tuganire, tubabwire amakuru menshi. Naringiza ngo mbabwire ya story mu cyongereza iba nkaho igiye kuba ingutu, ariko ntimugire ngo ni ingutu cyane. Ejo ico niciki cyumweru nari nkopeye, icyumweru kindi kiza ya nzoba nakopeye ibindi, and it will be great and it will be perfect, it will be amazing. Ndabibijeje nkuko bizaba bisa neza, kandi tuzabasha kubisangira umunsi kundi. Yarubakunda, ejo nibwo nzavuga inkuru irambuye nibinkundira, cyangwa ubutaha mbabwire story nke. Asigaye reka mbeze pole abavandimwe bari mu kaga, abo abazalendo bakomeje gusumbuwa. Imana baremere icobi cyo kubakingira, ibakingira ikibaba kugira ngo mubeho turabakunda, kandi dukomeje kubasengera. Icyakora umunsi umwe tuzorenganurwa tubona amahoro. Abari mu byago pore, ababuza babo mpore, turabakunda cyane. Tuzakomeza dufatikanye namwe bavandimwe muri umuryango.